Hi there. I've hurt my left knee and I'm having a lot of trouble getting my left shoe on my left foot because as I sort of try and push my leg down into the shoe, then that's hurting my knee. But what I've found actually is that if I use a shoelace, I just got a new shoelace, and at the back of the shoe is this little loop. So I just feed the shoelace through that loop, like that, roughly sort of halfway. And then when I put my shoe on, and this is where the problem was I get the front in and I just couldn't push down with my sore knee. Then I just grab the two ends of those laces, the right two ends, and pull the laces towards me. And there we go, pop. My foot has easily gone into my shoe. And all I need to do now is just obviously drop the laces, remove the shoelace from that loop, and then I'm right to go and my shoe is perfectly on my foot. Okay, hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and goodbye for now.